Today, I'll show you how to contact Citibank customer care using the Citi mobile app. This quick tutorial will walk you through the process, ensuring you can easily get the support you need. To begin, you'll want to grab your smartphone and open the Citi mobile app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a variety of options at your fingertips. For contacting customer care, direct your attention to the Support tab. You'll usually find this conveniently located at the bottom of your screen. After tapping on Support, you'll want to select Contact Us. This will bring up a list of different contact options tailored to your needs. Whether you prefer speaking to someone over the phone, sending an email, or using chat support, Citibank has made it easy to choose the method that suits you best. Next, you'll need to select the type of issue you're experiencing. Citibank offers support for a wide range of topics, such as credit card inquiries, banking concerns, or online banking issues. Take a moment to identify the category that most accurately reflects your situation. This will help ensure that you're connected with the right department that can assist you effectively. Once you've chosen your issue, the app will display the appropriate customer care phone number or contact option. If you're ready to speak with someone directly, tap the call button next to the number. This will instantly connect you to a Citibank customer care representative who can help resolve your concerns. Of course, if you prefer not to call, you can always opt for email or any other contact options listed. It's all about choosing what feels most comfortable for you. And there you have it. That's how to contact Citibank customer care through the Citi mobile app. By following these simple steps, you can easily get in touch with Citibank's support team and get the assistance you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.